Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the unit over and remove 11 6mm screws and one 4.5mm screw that's underneath the rubber foot. To remove the rubber foot, just gently insert the metal spudger and pry it free. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest, and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Push back the locking clip and gently pull up to unplug the battery from the motherboard. Remove 6 3mm screws from the battery. Unseat the speaker cables from the battery grooves, and you can remove the battery. Replace the battery, and replace the 6 3mm screws. Replace the speaker wire back into the grooves on the battery. Plug the battery back into the motherboard and push the locking mechanism closed. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the 11 6mm screws and the one 4.5mm screw which goes under the rubber foot.